All right, so we're about to tear into this Tahoe, but I wanted to real quick give you guys a rundown on why we're doing what we're about to do. So we're going to replace the entire front end suspension underneath this thing. The truck has a real bad vibration between 70 and 80 miles an hour. I've had the tires impact balanced. I've had $2,000 to $3,000 worth of parts and alignments and stuff thrown at it, and I'm sick of it. So we're going to replace the whole front end. I chewed through a set of tires the last time in less than 4 months. So while we're at it, we're going to put a 2-inch leveling kit on the front, deleting the air ride and going to passive shocks and springs in the back. So be sure to stay tuned to the very end. I'll have a complete parts list on what we threw at this thing and go from there. Hope you enjoy. Little quick side note. I'm throwing a lot of parts at this thing, Detroit axle, rough country, and some other stuff. I'm not sponsored. I bought all these parts with my own money. If you're interested in supporting the channel, be sure to hit us up, or you can send me an email at 9linegarage@gmail.com. That's 9 with the number 9, 9linegarage@gmail.com. The channel's growing. We're starting to do a lot more things. Learning to tune. I already put a tune in the Tahoe on my very first tune. So lots of great things coming to this channel, and it's going to continue to grow. So if you're interested in helping us out, be sure to send me a message here on YouTube or send me an email. Thanks. All right, so we're in the garage today. We're going to be tearing apart the front end of the Tahoe. Got Cheeseburger with me. Bullshits will be here a little bit. I'm fat again, and we're going to do this. So today we're going to be putting 2-inch lift struts on the Tahoe. Rough country 0 to 2-inch passive struts. We're going to be deleting the Z55 Autoride. And these are Z71 coil springs. What we're going to be doing is not going to do a step-by-step because that would be like a 16-hour video. So we're going to be replacing the whole front end, but again, we're not going to do a step-by-step. If we run into any issues, we'll be sure to come back to you and show you what we had and how we fixed it. So we're going to get started.
And hopefully we'll both be upright, standing, after dealing with these springs. I hate these springs.
So real quick for the video, I've already put passive struts on the front. I used R-knots, and it caused the front end to sag like 2 inches. I have a 3.5-inch difference between the front and the back, and I'll put pictures up so you can kind of see what that looks like, but it's pretty bad. So we're going to get started, and we'll get back to you soon. Forgot to mention, we got hot rod in here too.
Can you do me a favor? Yeah. Swear to God, Aaron, if you get here and we're halfway done.
All right, Bullshits has arrived. We had a little incident with the smoke wrench, so we're going to be replacing the axles, but wanted to do that anyways, so we got the whole crew here now. All right, things are going good. Cheeseburger and Bullshits down there. This side's almost completely done. We got all new parts in there. Well, boys and girls, there it is. Cheeseburger did all the work. Bullshits helped him. I was just a parts gopher. One side down, one to go. New axle, inner and outer tie rod, lower, upper control arm, new brakes, new struts, 2-inch lift. All right, so we have the Z71 spring installed on one side, the rough country shocks going on. Air ride has been deleted.